Everything you're watching was made with free AI tools. No 3D software, no animation experience, and also AI can generate impressive animation now, but there is one issue that still breaks most video: character consistency. One scene looks great and then the character suddenly change in the next. In this video, you will only learn how simple workflow that keeps your character consistency from start to finish. I will walk you through 4 easy steps using free AI tools so you can create clean, high quality AI cartoon animation. Even though you are completely a newcomer, here is the exact animation we are creating, which I'm going to be displaying on the screen, so you don't have to guess anything. I have shared all the prompts in the pinned comment. Just copy and paste and follow along each step, and I will guide you through the workflow from start to finish. Step 1. Generate the full blueprint with ChatGPT. First, grab the master prompt from the pinned comment. From the pinned comment, copy it and paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate. In few seconds, ChatGPT gives you completely package, including a full story script, clean character description, text to image prompt for your character, and every scene and image to video prompt for each scene. With the dialogue already included inside every image to video prompt, so by the end of this step 1, you are not guessing anything. You are not the script, the visual plan, and the exact prompt to create the whole animation. Step 2. Create the character plus scene visual using Nano Banana Pro inside Gemini, or you use Canva. Now we are going to be using Canva in this video. So now all we need to do is now we are creating the visuals. Open the Canva, click on the generate image with AI, then switch to the Pro, then go back to your ChatGPT and copy the character prompt, paste into Canva and hit generate. In just a few seconds, you will get a super dialogue 3D style result. The light looks clean, the texture looks sharp, and also the character feels so polished and animated already. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the second character prompt, paste it into Gemini and also generate again. And this one looks amazing too, especially for an anima. The details, expression, and overall render quality comes out incredible, clean, and high end. Now it's time to generate the scene image. This is where everything starts to feel like a real animation. First, go back to your ChatGPT and copy the scene text to image prompt, paste it on Canva and click the create, and boom, your first scene appears with serious details. The lighting looks clean, the environment feels so amazing. The environment feels cinematic, and most importantly, your boy and the animal both look sharp and clear in the frame. The overall quality is, honestly impressive. Now go back to ChatGPT and then again copy the scene to image prompt, press it into Canva and also generates it looks alike. Scene 2 comes out with the same level of polish. The character still feels like the same one. The details stay consistency and also the style stay cohesive across the scene. Alright, next, return to the ChatGPT and also copy the scene 3 prompt, paste it into your Canva and hit the create, and again the consistency holds up. The characters still match, the details don't fall apart, and the scene feels like it's part of the same story world. You can generate this image incredible fast and the results stay clean and unusable. Now just repeat the exact workflow. Repeat the exact workflow for the remaining scene. Copy the next scene prompt from your ChatGPT, paste it into Canva, generate. Once all scenes image are ready, we will move to the next step and animate them one by one. Step 3. Turn your image into Studio 3D animation clip using Grok. Now that's all. Your scene image are ready. it's time to bring them to life with Grok. Upload your first scene image into Grok. Now go back to your ChatGPT and copy the first image to video prompt, including the full dialogue. Paste it into your Grok and also click generate, and wow, the image instantly turns into a real animated shoot. The motion looks smooth, the expression actually feels alive, and then the talking looks surprisingly believe. It genuinely feels like a mini studio style clip. Upload your second scene image, go back to the ChatGPT again and also copy the second image to video prompt with the dialogue, paste it into Grok and also generates. Looks at that, another clean clip. That still feel familiar, the movement still smooth and the dialogue lines up really well. With the mouth motion, this is where it stops looking like random AI clips and also start feeling like connected scene. Now upload your third scene image into Grok and also copy the third image to video prompt from ChatGPT, include the dialogue, paste it into your Grok and also click create video, and again Grok delivers. The animation stays consistent, the expression match the movement and the clip sync stay on point. Now repeat this exact workflow for the remaining scene. Upload the scene image, copy that scene image to video prompt with dialogue, paste into Grok, generate. Once all the clip are finished, download them one by one and also you will have a full set of high quality animated clip ready to combine into one complete video. Step 4, put it all together in CapCut. Now that you have generated all the animated clips, it's time to turn them into a completely viral ready story. For editing, we will use CapCut. It's free and super easy to use. Open CapCut and create a full project. Import all the clip you generated in Grok, then drag them into the timeline in the correct order. If you name your files 1, 2, 3, this part becomes effortless because everything stays perfectly organized. Next, add smooth transition so the video flows. Click transition, choose a style that's match your shots. That is very, very simple to keep all the scene simple. Shoot transition work best around 3 to 5 seconds. So the pacing stays fast and engaging. Now let's level up the audio. Because sound is what makes the video feels alive, add a quick whoosh or swipe sound on the transition, then add light background music but keep it low so the dialogue stays clear and easy to understand. After that, add caption to boost retention. Go to text, auto caption, generate caption, and also choose a clear readable font. Allow them so they pop and add a simple animation like a soft popping to make the visual feels more energetic. Then do a quick cleanup pass, trim any awkward pauses, tighten the pacing, and also make sure every clip hits smoothly. Finally, exporting your video, choose the right aspect ratio for your platform, and that's it. You just created a full animated story using the AI completely free. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and also hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one.